Check it out, guys. We got the Bugeye here, and guess what we have on the Bugeye? What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are still going to be trying to diagnose the check engine light. It's a misfire in cylinder 4, and if I remember correctly, I still haven't edited the video yet, but I believe in the last video, I swapped the injectors and misfire code came back in the same cylinder, so it's still cylinder 4. So in today's video, we're going to go ahead and keep diagnosing. We're going to go ahead and take the coils out, or try to, and swap them. And swap the spark plugs as well. See if that does anything, and then if not, we're gonna have to go from there. But to start off, we're gonna go ahead and start by doing that. Otherwise, also in this video, you guys are going to see, or if you haven't guessed already, we got tires for the Bugeye, and they are mean looking. Holy cow. I've been driving with them a couple days, and they're not too bad. Like, they got some grip. But yeah, without further ado, let's get straight back into the video. Alrighty, guys, so we got the coils out. I got one there and one there, and then I got the coils over, coil and spark plug over there as well. And so they're already in the positions to be swapped. So yeah, if you guys take a look at this spark plug, it looks used, but doesn't look bad. Iridium. And then we take a look at the coil as well. Coil looks in decent shape, but I mean, you never know. And we'll go ahead and take a look at this one as well. It looks fine. Nothing really stands out. And then here, take a look at this. So yeah, I also smelled them, and it smells like combustion chamber. And this one, which is the one from the cylinder that's misfiring, smells like raw gas. So yeah, I think that's what's causing that. What I don't understand. Yeah, anyway, so we're gonna swap that, well, actually we don't even have to clear the codes because the battery's out. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put everything back together, put the battery in, turn the car on, drive it around real quick, and see if we're gonna get any codes. And then if it comes back, double check to see if it's coming from the same cylinder, and if it is, then we'll have to diagnose from there. But otherwise, we can eliminate the fuel injector, spark plug, coil. Yeah, and I mean, valves are adjusted, so it's not compression, because this is a brand new engine. So we can eliminate a bunch of things by doing this, and we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back in. Alrighty, guys, so we went ahead, batteries back in, coil packs are in, I zip tied them. It took me a second to actually get the zip ties on there tight. Zip ties are on there tight now, coil packs are in, spark plugs are in, batteries connected. So we're ready to start it. I'm gonna let it run, sit at idle for a bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and get the GoPro and go for a drive, and then come back and see what's up. But yeah, so go ahead. Wow. X-band, K-band, K-A-band. That was so bad, holy cow. We got tires, baby. Check these out. I don't know how well you can actually see. These are sick. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and let it idle while I clean up. Then we're gonna go ahead and grab the GoPro, and we're gonna go for a quick drive. And hopefully the check engine light does not come back on. We'll see. And I'll see you guys in a couple of seconds, I don't know. For you guys, seconds, so I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys, so I tried filming on the GoPro, but the GoPro didn't have any storage. And we got back home, and my battery seems to be dead. I do believe it is my battery. So we're hooked up right now. I'm trying to get it started. but it don't want to start. Alrighty guys, so that's where I'm going to end the video. The car ended up actually, the battery ended up dying. And so there's nothing really I can do about it right now. So, I'm going to have to deal with that tomorrow and make a whole different video about it. So, as far as this video goes, say hello to my friend here. Anyways, as far as this video goes, I think that's going to be the end of it. We got a lot done, but we weren't able to figure out if that fixed it or not, so, or if it switched cylinders, so we're gonna have to figure that out tomorrow. Anyways, I think that's where I'm gonna end the video. If not, I'll put it all in one video, we'll see. Anyway guys, I hope you guys are enjoying the content. If you're liking, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe as well, and there will be more videos coming soon. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.